First of all, yes, they do provide free slippers. They're pretty cool. Hey everyone, Scott Lesenby here from the Tobu Hotel at Narita Airport in Japan. Tokyo, kind of Tokyo, it's kind of, yeah, whatever. Anyway, this is an airport hotel, a very cheap airport hotel, but it seems to be a very good airport hotel. I paid less than $100 US a night for this. I believe it, with all taxes and everything, it came to about $90. And this is a top floor room, so it's going to be fairly quiet, I presume. And yeah, this is pretty cool. This is not bad at all, especially after a long trip from the US. It's nice to hit a room that's that's nice. I like this. I can't think of words right now because my brain is just completely fried, but I do like what I see. This is very, very good. This is a little bit more room than I need right now. It's just me, so I don't need both beds. It's nice to have, though. I did pay a little extra for a room with a little bit more space. If I really wanted to save some money, I could have got something a little bit smaller with just one bed. But all of this for less than $100 US, top floor, not bad at all. You know, it's nothing luxurious. It's a lot better than I was expecting, though. I was expecting just a very low-budget transit hotel. I've stayed in a few hotels in Japan before, and I know, I mean, every experience is pretty much amazing. And I was thinking that, yes, I mean, even though this is kind of a low-budget hotel, I knew it was going to be good because it is a Japanese hotel. And so far, my suspicions were, I mean, it's all true. It's all coming to light. So yeah, it's about 10 p.m. right now, and I am dead tired, and I'm just happy to see this. This is really, really good. Let me show you the view really quick. It's not much. It's overlooking Narita Airport, where you can actually see anything. There's an airplane taking off right there. You can't see it, but Narita Airport is straight ahead, and you know, they said this was within walking distance. Technically it is. You know, you could probably do it in maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but there is a free shuttle bus that I recommend. It's much faster, much easier after a long flight from abroad. So we've got a large, big screen TV here. This is pretty cool. The drawer here, I believe these are, I don't know what these are. Are these pajamas? Yeah, they're pajamas. That's really cool. And it looks like a belt of some kind for your pajamas. So that's really nice. And also, like I said, they have free slippers. They're nothing, you know, they're not high quality, but they are free. And there is a mini bar here. No, it's not a mini bar, it's a refrigerator. Because this is especially convenient because there is a convenience store downstairs. They sell everything. They sell all kinds of food, beverages, drinks, toiletries, everything you can possibly imagine. So it's very easy to fill that up if you're so inclined. And then there's a hot water maker thingy mabob here, and I guess this is a nice bucket. Some cups and glasses. And then here at the bathroom. Okay, so the bathroom is a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit run down. Wow, let me take that back. The bathroom is not run down. It's just a little bit outdated. It's very clean. Typical Japanese, very clean, very organized. Everything's all neat and tidy here. But it's just a little bit outdated, but, you know, not bad for a sub $100 a night hotel. I can definitely deal with this. I'm not going to complain. Basically just going to be sleeping here tonight, then I'll be gone in the morning, continue on my journey. So from what I can tell so far, this is turning out to be an excellent value. Let's see, we've got USB ports there. And I think there's more over here. Japanese style plugs, which are the same as US, so your US plugs will work. The voltage is a little bit different, but basically it'll work. It may not work as well as it does back home in the US, but yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for this. I think I scored pretty well. I'm not going to complain. If you have any comments or questions, do leave them down in the comment section below. I will get to them as soon as I can. And also, do be sure to sign up for my newsletter, which is where I share all of the information about how I'm able to travel so often, how I can afford to do that. So if you're curious about how I'm always staying in hotels and always traveling all over the world, do be sure to sign up for that. It's always, always a good time. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.